Good afternoon, guys. Good evening. Can you hear me? Good evening.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
How are you? So, I hope you have all had a very safe and prosperous festive days, huh? Diwali
Yes,
and
sir.
Chhath Puja. So I was also on leave. I have joined again today only. So actually today what we'll do, na? First let me show you the presentation or whatever we have covered so far, and yep. I intended to cover today this scope and limitation of this AI, this small here. Sorry. And so far, what I could cover is this. But before that, actually today I wanted to discuss few points regarding this PGCSM course. Okay, so like few of the issues which we are getting here, and what is the opinion of faculty members and students, and I also wanted to have your before coming to that, let me again come to it. Yeah, so also, so like we'll discuss few points and like opinions of faculties also and your participation. And I can see right now only 15 students are there in that class, and I don't know why this attendance is less. And regarding this also, we'll have a feedback form today, the live feedback form. I would like all of you to attempt that, and as an anonymous entry will not record like who has given what feedback and all. We'll also not have any information on that, so you can rate freely whatever you want, you know, because it will be not be recorded like whoever has given what feedback and all, so it will be anonymous. You can act as an anonymous entry, so we'll do that. And and a few more points what will be discussed today. Before going to that, let me just tell you where we are and what I need more, you know, for this course. Actually, here you see what we have covered so far. Actually, I told you this particular course, how we have designed is it's a not very technical, non-technical course, but an informative course. We wanted you to update about, because when we have designed all the course content, I found that there was no course on which is actually giving a brief about industry 4.0 and smart manufacturing, though all the course cover the same thing. But in principally we should know like what is this what we are actually talking about these days. Everyone, why they are talking smart manufacturing and industry 4.0. So that's why we have designed, and it was mainly known so that's why the target sessions for this course was also around 10 or 12, like that. So we had, I think, almost 7 or 8 sessions. We'll had 3, 4, 4 sessions more. So what we have covered so far, we had covered smart manufacturing, we had covered industry one in this journey from 1.0 to 4.0, key components. Then there are many pillars of smart manufacturing, and out of that we have only taken the direct digital manufacturing or rapid manufacturing, we can tell. Then the smart devices and product, a glimpse of that I have given, but the smart logistics, smart cities, about that I wanted to take one session. So I will take a session. I will take this point, the point number 5 I will cover. Then we have covered already the cyber security, what is AI, applications and examples of AI. This also we have covered. Then scope also we have covered a bit in the same session, but we have not covered the limitations of machine learning. So I will take one session which will cover the scope and limitations, and how this AI can be implemented in the company. So for these one sessions I will be taking, and I will be taking one dedicated session for the job functions and the relevant expertise are required. So the 2 sessions and 3 sessions. So basically we will be taking 3 of, and this introduction to data science tool. I'll try to get someone who is who have expertise in Tableau, because anyways Python you are getting it from Dr. Nageshwar, and I hope Dr. Achilles is taking classes in R right now. So R also you will be familiar, Python you will be familiar, Excel and Tableau, these 2 tools also I will try to cover. And I'll try to get someone who has expertise in the Tableau, so that they can. And Minitab, I hope you will be knowing Minitab. If no, then I'll be taking. So what I feel like, maximum 3 or 4 sessions are left, and that also will try to cover by 3rd week of December. By 3rd week of December we'll be covering all these sessions. So, but today's class I have taken. We wanted to have a let me come online again. Yeah. Can you see me? Yeah. So for today's session, I wanted to discuss few points. I wanted to take your opinion on that. One thing is, you all know that we have deployed our Moodle platform. So we want to, tomorrow you have a midterm. So before that, we want to test the platform also, because last time when we had a test, that time actually the server failed. So I request you all to please help us in that, in testing, and please be with us today for the session. And again, there are few points, like I have found like their attendance are less these days. So for that also, like I don't know why attendance are less, because we have organized 2 special sessions also, the case studies from invited as an invited speaker, but there also I found that attendance are less, and the sessions are also not interactive. So that is the reason actually we have not scheduled any sessions more now, because when we invite someone to speak on a particular point, something like this, we want the sessions to be interactive. So far I think we have arranged only 2 sessions, and out of those, in all these 2 sessions actually they went like it was not there was no listener one was active. Basically this was the feedback I have received from the speakers. I don't know what is the reason. Can anyone would like to talk about that, like what is the reason why one thing you have not attended last session also? I see only, I think 23-24 students was there. Out of that, 3-4 are outsiders, not from this course, when we have invited some speaker. So yeah, I would like to hear from you, what is the reason on that? Anyone please?
So mostly when I attend the classes, the last session was on I was in the office, sir, so I can't able to speak, but I was actually taking up the notes. So exactly that was one of the reasons I don't interact if I'm in the office. Apart from that, I usually ask questions if I have any doubt or something.
Yeah. What about others actually? Last session actually no one asked even a single question. So I doubt actually people were listening that session or not, because I feel that was an interesting session. It was informative that when we asked your alumni Prasun Kumar to present, and he came here, and and he has presented. Actually, he has spared a time for us, and actually not a single question I've heard from anyone. And the same with when I invited Dr. Sata also. That time also I think 2-3 questions came. That fellow was also from outside, not from our course, and I think one question came from other student. That is also not from PGCSM. So I doubt maybe the quality of the lectures are not good. I mean, you are expecting something else, or you are there or not. This is one question, because one feedback I have received from again another from one more faculty, that he has asked name of few students in the class, and though their attendance was there, but they were not responding in that session. So yeah, I mean, because we want to, this is the, I told you, it's like a pilot program. This first year is like a pilot program, and we want to improve it. That's why this course is also free of cost for all of you, and we wanted to refund your caution money, and but we want to improve also. Like how will we, in next year, how will we handle this course in more professional way? So there, because you all are alumni from NIFT, I think you can contribute in that. You can help us in that. So anyone, please, I would like to hear from someone else also, not from me. Yeah, anyone? So 1 minute. So Nanda, I would like to hear from you.
Sir, actually, I was traveling. I had my joining at Allahabad, so I was traveling on that day.
But what about actually? I heard that in one of the session, actually, I mean, like your name was called and you were not present, something like this.
No, sir. He means Dr. Sikdar called, but he muted himself and he was calling my name. I was already responding that I am present, but he muted himself and was calling my name, and he also called Bhargav name also when he muted himself. So
well,
I was
I'm
unable
here.
to.
I'm Sikdar here. Can I speak? I am
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
and I called second time also.
Yes, sir. You
So
muted
just to have
you muted
confirmed,
yourself.
no, then unmuted. Next
Yes,
time
sir.
I
Then I
called
responded.
second time.
Then I responded, sir, and I said my full
Your
name
name,
also,
please.
Nand Kumar, sir. I responded with my full name that day.
No. If you are present, then you have been made present that day.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You have made me present that day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or I think
But
Dhananjay,
if
you
you
are
are
here?
not present, I called your name.
Yes.
Second time, I always make it confirm. Once the people said, Meena said that, sir, it is muted, I made it confirm that it is unmuted. So next time I called, so that it
Yes,
is
sir.
to
That
be certain.
I was also saying along with Meena, sir, that your voice is not coming. You have
Yeah, so
muted yourself.
that next time again I call the people's name. Okay.
Yes, sir. Then I responded when you called the next time. I
Yeah.
responded
So
with my full name.
if any day you are made absent for my class, that means I called 2-3 times or something like that. Okay.
Okay. So this was actually in general what we felt, because not about Dr. Sikdar's class. It's about that the sessions, other sessions also we found that it is not interactive actually. The main reason why we wanted to have the live sessions is to have interactive sessions. Otherwise, there are many programs which is already there, and I believe because those Coursera and everywhere there are many good lectures, and maybe there many lectures are better than this also. But the main intention to have this is to have the interactive classes. So that was not there, because in the live sessions what I have seen others, it was not there. So I recommend that I request you all to please let us have a more interactive sessions, and let us be present. I mean, like what we'll do now next time when we schedule any invited lectures, before that we would like to have your availability, because it is fixed. We are having the invited session on a scheduled sessions also, but that time also the attendance is very less. Right now also it's 22 only out of 33. So I feel like students are not able to join. No. So let's see what is the reason for that. And so for that only, for this purpose only, maybe you are not able to speak here. So we have designed a feedback form, and we request you to please attempt that feedback form in now only. And again, the second point is this Moodle. So Moodle also actually it's been deployed, and tomorrow you have a test also. So for that also we want to test that if our server can handle all this. I believe it can handle, but with that feedback form, it will be tested today. So I will hand over this to Abhijit now after a couple of minutes. So intention of that is to brief you about the Moodle, how you need to use Moodle, because from maybe from next class we wanted to have the sessions directly on Moodle instead of the Microsoft Teams. And instead of uploading the video on YouTube, all the recorded video will be there in Moodle, and you can access there only. So you need not to wait for someone else to upload that video. So after the meeting, the recorded session will be there, and you can access anytime. So let us have a brief demo of Moodle only for our course context, not in detail, just 5-10 minute demo. And at the same time, Abhijit will share the link there, which you can attempt the feedback form, and that feedback we will discuss. I request you all to please share the open feedback. And one question we have kept where you can comment anything. So I want you to please give your genuine open feedback. If it is critical, just make it whatever you want. In negative comment also you can make it negative comment. It is not been we will not be able to know who has commented that because it's all anonymous entry. So Abhijit, you are there? Abhijit?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah. Abhijit,
Yes,
just guide us what to do now.
Okay, sir. Sure. Hello, everyone. Good evening. This is Abhijit. So, am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, you are.
Gaurav.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Please do visit your WhatsApp account. Means I have forwarded a list of email ID. That is basically your user ID for it, and the password is nift@123. Now, please just everyone log into the URL that I am providing. Do you want me the URL to be provided in WhatsApp or Google Classroom?
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
You can
Google
share it
Classroom.
there also, by the way.
Sir, on Google Classroom, it will be easier us to open it from our desktop.
Okay, sure. I'll paste on both, as you said, Google Classroom also.
And the meeting chat also. You paste it here also.
Okay, sir. I'll paste in meeting chat as well. Please, everyone who is seeing that URL could just log into, and I will guide you for the further processes. It has been posted on Classroom as well as WhatsApp, and as sir said, I'm pasting it in chat as well.
Abhijit, sir, it is fast space NIP, right?
Yeah.
It is fast space NIP.
No. The password that's written that's password N capital IFFT at the
Achha,
rate
there is
123.
no P- Okay, thank you, sir. Invalid login.
Please check the user ID that you have been provided to us. That you have provided means your registered email ID is been used as user ID in this URL.
Yes, sir. In this, what should we do? Where should we?
Okay, so means is everyone on that page? Means on the NIP Moodle platform?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will be sharing my screen on this team meeting. So just please look into it. You would have a better understanding accordingly. This might be the page that that would be looking to you. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It's visible.
Okay. So when you click on that URL, I suppose that everyone is seeing the similar kind of page that's been shown on this team screen.
Mm, Sir, actually, I don't have a laptop. I'm using from my phone, so I can't see the similar page. But yes, something has opened.
Okay, okay. No issues. Then you can follow the Teams meeting. I'll guide you through the entire path.
Yes, sir.
Apart from this, everyone else is able to see the page.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, great. So I can proceed, right? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please
sir.
guide
You
us.
can proceed.
Okay, okay. So see, on the very top of the page, there's home. So you guys all understand the meaning of home. It will bring you to this home page, and this home page, as of right now, contains only one course, that is smart manufacturing, and there is a subcategory in that, that's SM quiz and exam, right? It's visible
Yes, sir.
to everyone, and there should be a notice below it, that notice regarding mathematical foundation for data science, the second semester exam. Is it visible to everyone else?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, great. There would be calendar also at the end, top, end right side. Is calendar visible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir. We can see.
Okay. If we schedule any event that's been highlighted on the calendar, you can click on it to look for the event, such as if right now, if you hover your cursor on the 2nd of December, it will show you smart manufacturing second midterm exam. And if not, there's at the top of the dashboard, next from the dashboard, there's a column for event. When you click on it, it will automatically show you the events that are upcoming. Okay. So, and then my courses. When you click on my courses, it will just display all the courses that you are enrolled in. So you guys would be seeing all 4 courses. I'll show you. Then when you click on smart manufacturing, it brings you to a page where see, the subcategories is quiz and exam. Whenever you'll have a quiz or exam, you'll just click into it, and then you can apply for the quiz and exam. Since now the quiz is not uploaded, so it's not visible to anyone. And apart from that, there are courses such as Python for data science, introduction to data analytics, overview of industry 4.0 and AI. And see, as you can see, Dr. Himanshu's picture and note message would also be displayed there. So if you want to enter any course, you'll just click on that course, and that will take you to the topic. And we have named the topic according to the dates. So the 1st December, that means today's class. When you click onto this virtual classroom, is this screen that's being presented on the Teams screen, Microsoft Teams screen, everyone else having the similar screen on their desktop? Hello?
Yes.
Guys, you need to respond, please. Hello?
Yes.
Sir,
Okay.
in the phone, also I can able to see that.
No
Yes, sir.
issues, no issues, ma'am. You can just follow the instruction that I am providing on the Microsoft Teams.
But Abhijit, they need to, if someone is on the phone also, they need to attempt that feedback form today. Huh?
Yes, sir. It could be done. It can be done, sir.
Abhijit, I am unable to log in.
Okay. Means what's
Mail
what's
ID
your
is SUNIL Sunil the Bald BALD.
Sunil? I assumed as I can remember, I have enabled, but no issues. I'll check on it. So you can also follow the screen that I'm sharing right now. So you'll have all
Yeah.
the information, and I'll check on your account next
Okay.
time.
Okay.
Visible, sir.
So this is the screen that would be visible to everyone. The virtual
Yeah.
classroom is the place where we will be having our classes. You don't need any link from today or when we shift in the entire course to LMS, we won't be needing any link. You just you have seen the part. You'll log into this URL. You'll go to home. You'll select your designated course, and then the topic would be there. See, the 1st December it's written. It could be written the chapter's name as well. See, if there is saying some chapter, for example, chapter X, then we can also write chapter X would be there. So the virtual classroom, when you click on it, they'll bring you to this page, and the conference room is ready. You can join now. So teacher and every member can just click on it, and they'll just come to this page, which would be being shown in your screen right now. This is the big blue button. This is the add-on for classrooms. So you can join like this, microphone or headphone, whatever you feel comfortable with. So I'm joining with microphone right now. Okay. So this is similar interface as your Microsoft Teams. So you must be familiar with it. The only changes that we are bringing up here, that you all guys need to have your camera enabled. Means you all guys need to have your camera on, so that this for the academic purposes or the reasons. Okay. So this thing is clear to all, where you all will be having your classes, and it's everything is similar to Microsoft Teams. So I think everyone should be comfortable with it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Great. So I'll go back to this page, and this big blue button or the virtual classroom is just for classes. Any other thing that is attendance, assignment would be posted right here on the screen before 1st December, or the topic or chapter's name. So if there is an assignment, we can post the assignment. Everyone can view it. Everyone can submit it. So as an activity for today, we have the feedback form activity here. So this you need to attempt, and this is active right now. This is active from 7:30 to 8:30. We'll talk about it later. The second thing is the attendance thing. So attendance, so this is how we'll be working on attendance. This is the live attendance that we have figured out a solution for right now. So in this, the teachers have the entire access to mark you present, absent, excuse, or late, whatever it is. According to that, you will be allotted your points regarding your marks that teacher has allotted you. And this would be simply as in the real classes, a teacher can call out the name for students, and if he is satisfied with the response that comes from to them, or even if they feel it's late, or whatever they feel like, this could be done during the classroom. So this is how the attendance will go, just like the regular classes. And as you guys are already expected to enable your camera, so we would have a more real classroom like experience, and the interactivity depends on you guys then. So this is the attendance schedule, and all the attendance analysis would also be available after the class, right below this topic. And the third thing is the feedback form. Now you guys, when you click to the feedback form, now see, it's from 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. So now you guys all can just go to the URL, whether you are on a phone or whether you are on desktop. I have showed you the path. Just go to Smart Manufacturing. I'll show you it again. This is the front page. This is the very front page of our LMS. It's under development right now. The first thing, the course category, the Smart Manufacturing. You click on it. Then in Smart Manufacturing, you go to the overview of Industry 4.0 and AI. That's Dr. Himanshu Khandelwal's class. And just click on it. And today's topic, that is 1st December's topic, you'll find 3 attachments there, or 3 activities. The first would be virtual classroom that I showed you demo. It's for attending classes. Second is the attendance, and the third activity for today is the feedback form. Now you guys can click on the feedback form. Not right now, I'm just explaining. You can click on the feedback form and submit all your feedback according to your convenience by 8:30. So this is all the interface for right now, and as we develop and evolve, we'll keep you updated. And that's all from my side, I guess. Himanshu sir?
Yeah.
Abhijit, I have some questions.
Yeah,
Yeah,
please.
sure.
So
You can
Google
ask all
Class
the
will
questions
be
you have.
continued, or
Yeah.
After this,
Please come again.
after this portal, Google Classroom will be discontinued.
That's a decision that administration and Dr. Khandelwal needs to take.
Yeah,
I am not authorized to make any comment on this behalf.
Yeah, let me answer this question, Abhijit. Once we completely migrate to this Moodle platform, then of course we can actually deregister from Google Classroom. But meanwhile, things we will be posting on Google Classroom only, and we'll try to slowly migrate to this Moodle platform. For start, the live sessions and the the test and quizzes we will be having here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Abhijit, can
Any
you
other?
give them about
Yes,
the tomorrow's session, tomorrow's test also, where they need to go and attempt that test? Otherwise, because you
Yes,
will
sir. Yes, sir.
directly you can
Sure.
start tomorrow's test like that.
Sure. The similarly, as you are providing, as you are appearing for this feedback form for today in industry and overview, similarly you'll have to go for tomorrow. I'll show you the path. You won't be going in smart manufacturing. You will going into a subcategory that is smart manufacturing quiz and exam. And the second mid-semester exam for mathematical foundation, you'll click on it. That's the course right now. And since it's just a forum right now, we have not added the quiz. And apart rest from this, everything else will be similar to the feedback form that you will be filling right now. So you'd be much more comfortable tomorrow. Plus, I will be there tomorrow as well to guide you with any technical help that you need.
Okay, sir. Abhijit, one
Yes.
more thing.
Okay, sir.
Till now, we used to get the information about classes on WhatsApp. So in this
Yeah.
platform also, we are able to find which class is scheduled today.
I hope WhatsApp will be active, and till as Dr. Himanshu said, until and unless we completely migrate to this thing, Google Classroom and WhatsApp won't be discarded. We would be using it till we have an poll from everyone that they are comfortable with it or they are comfortable with the new system. So no previous system will be discarded until and unless we are all on the same page.
Okay.
Sir, I have a few questions. Like, is this platform smooth on mobile phones? Like, can
Yeah,
we
it
open our
is.
class and join it through our mobile devices?
Sure, you can.
And secondly, sir, as you have made camera compulsory to be turned on, sir, I have in our office it's not allowed. Like it's against the protocol. Like we can join the meeting, but we cannot always keep our camera on.
Yes, I understand. So as you said, I have made it compulsory. That's a not correct statement. I haven't made it compulsory. It's a request from authorities and Dr. Himanshu and other faculty members. So if you are facing any kind of this feature or this activity, you can just directly connect to them and they can guide you with the appropriate solution.
Sure, sir.
Anything else?
Yeah. If anyone else has any question, they can ask. And otherwise, I suggest all of you to please log into your Moodle account and attempt that. If anyone has any difficulty in logging in and attempting, then you can actually discuss here so that Abhijit can resolve that issue right now. Anyone else has any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So shall we? What we should do now? Let us migrate directly to that virtual classroom live session, and there only we'll discuss an attempt. So right now I can see only I am there. I suggest if you also to join there, and we'll use that platform to discuss now. So that will be tested.
We can disconnect from Teams and then we can join there.
Yeah. That should be okay, Abhijit. They can connect there, no? Abhijit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they can connect there. No? Yeah. Please connect there only. Let's see that how.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Should we leave Teams now, sir?
Sir, we can't use mic there. Okay, sir. Okay.
Hello, sir. This is Rajnikant. Hello.
Sir, 1 minute. Actually, we all were in this Moodle classroom, so I think joining. Please give some time.
So, sir, this should we switch off the Moodle?
No, sir. Don't go there, sir. Actually, everybody are coming back because there was lots of echo. So everybody are coming back. So just wait for a few seconds. Sir will join.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, actually, I don't know. It was not working properly. That's the reason we wanted to test that platform today. If we can move to that virtual classroom, because we have tested with only a couple of people, 4-5 people here, and for that actually it was working fine. But I believe the virtual classroom is not working properly. But at least I for quizzes and for quiz and that test and feedback forms, we will start using the Moodle platform, and slowly we'll improve on that. So I suggest you to please attempt that quiz now. If anyone else has any difficulty, then please let us know, because we have kept it active till 8:30. We'll edit it to 8:45 now. But I request you all to please attempt there. And if anyone else has any difficulty in joining,
I have login issue.
Who? Only Sunil, you has login issue, correct?
Yes.
Huh? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'll get it resolved immediately. Huh?
Sir,
Okay, sir.
Anyone else has login issue?
sir, this is Rajnikant. Can you hear me?
Huh? Rajnikant, yes, Rajnikant.
Sir, in feedback form, 10 is the best and one is the worst, I think.
Huh? 10 is the best. You need to rate from 1 to 10.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Abhijit is giving you access, Sunil.
Himanshu, sir, regarding this, the YouTube videos, as you said, I was joining through my email ID only. I don't know why it is coming, sir.
Yes, Meena. Actually, I've discussed this with Abhijit now, and he's saying there's some issue with YouTube, and it started coming in last couple of days only. We'll get it resolved by tomorrow. Don't worry for that. Huh?
Yes, sir, please. Thank you, sir.
Hello, Himanshu, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a problem here because video is not allowing Moodle scam in my mobile. I'm using mobile phone only, sir. So video is not allowing on that
So
one.
video, don't use video. This is what I'm saying. Forget about that video now. In a Moodle, you only use you attempt that feedback form in a Moodle platform, which Abhijit has given demo. Correct. You only go to the smart manufacturing course. There you can go to that this overview of Industry 4.0 and AI course, and there you can see the feedback form link.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And today's session, which we are actually we have vested for testing, will cover up this on this Saturday or Sunday, whenever is convenient to you. Please let me know.
Sir, and Himanshu, sir, this one, as you said, the last class regarding the cyber security and all, you will give us some links and all. You didn't provide the links.
I have uploaded those links in Google Classroom. Have you checked that?
1 minute, sir. I'll just check it now.
Few links I have uploaded there, but I have uploaded late.
Yes, sir, on 25th November, right, sir?
Yes. But I think it
Yes.
is the cyber security. Yeah, I have uploaded. Few links. I will upload more. I was on leave actually. I will upload more now.
Okay, sir. Yes, I found those, sir. I'll just check those out. Thank you, sir.
Sunil, just wait. In a couple of minutes, we'll give you access. Huh? He's working on that. So yes, Sunil, it's done. You can also log into Moodle and attempt that feedback form. Huh? And please be open and give your, whatever is correct, what you feel. Meanwhile, others are attempting. So far, 17 has already responded. If anyone else has any query or anything they want to discuss, please discuss. But I request you all to please be, participate actively in all the sessions, at least in live sessions, all the live sessions. And let us know if you want any improvement, anything else, and what particular topic you want to schedule that invited sessions. And if you can also suggest some speaker which you feel that who has expertise in some relevant field, anyone can volunteer here. And but actually last session I was not happy after listening last session, because I have not got good feedback about that session, because it was not at all interactive. Not a single
Last session was new to us. This is the reason we have not asked any questions.
When it is new to us, we generally we get more questions, correct? No?
No,
like
the presenter is presenting is a very seamless manner. Whatever he shows, whatever is presented, that is okay.
okay.
This is the reason we have not reverted any questions.
Okay. But I hope you find it useful to have a
Yes, sir. Yes,
other
sir.
session.
It is fruitful for us.
Yeah. Anything else you want to discuss? Dr. Siddhar, I request if you have any suggestion or anything you want to point out here. I think 20 people have already attempted. People are attempting now. If anyone wants to leave the session, they can leave now. And if there's nothing to discuss here, they can leave now. If anyone wants to leave, please feel free to go.
Sir, is there any timetable regarding this final sem?
Yeah.
Final.
Correct. You, I had expected these questions, and what we want, like in last week of December, huh? Actually, let me check. Actually, I forgot. Or the first week of November, somewhere I have already scheduled this academic calendar. I have shared with you. Correct. We'll go with the academic calendar, whatever was mentioned. Huh? Let me
Yes.
check this right now. Yeah, semester examination we have mentioned 15th of December onward. So, but let us target after 20th of December, huh? The second last week of December. Before that, we'll be completing all these things.
Yes, sir. Sir, and one more thing, like this is not related as of now.
Yeah.
I have a small doubt regarding the project in the like next semester we'll be doing a project. So it should be related to like any other company we have to go on which company we are working from there we can pick up some topics and we can do.
Yeah. So like regarding the project, I think initially only I have told like what we have decided, like we'll have seminar also and project also. We'll ask you to present the seminar, and for seminar we have scheduled seminar submission somewhere in mid of March. Okay, by mid of March you will be completing your seminar, and seminar topic you can pick such topic which in which you want to pursue your project also, and it can be from your company or it can be anything else. And if you have any difficulty in finding out the seminar topic and the project topic, we can also provide that, if you don't have data. But we recommend that you can pick up any topic which is actually you are getting used to right now. Maybe you are working right now. That will be more helpful for you also, and for for better understanding.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
If anyone else will have any difficulty in selecting the project topic and seminar topic, then we will help them. Otherwise, you can select. But of course, we'll assign some mentor for that, and you can discuss that particular seminar topic or project topic with that mentor, and that mentor will guide you how you can improve on that. Huh?
Yes, sir. Please do that. It will be
Yeah,
very
we'll
helpful
help.
for us.
Yeah, if 9 o'clock, till 9 o'clock we can make it. So if anyone has not attempted that, I request you to attempt now. It will be, because only 20 I can see right now, and the form will be open till 9 o'clock. We have made it till 9 o'clock now. And yeah, so then we can actually end today's session. I request you to attempt that. If anyone else has any question, they can ask. Otherwise, we can end today's session. Any query from you? Okay, then thank you for your help today. We wanted to test that platform, and we found that right now we cannot migrate on that, and we will continue Microsoft Team. Meanwhile, we'll keep on exploring the platform if we can directly migrate to Moodle. Okay, yeah, bye. Good night, guys. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.